finger spin. And there's an additional part of this trick that is called the tornado bind. That's the tornado bind. And you can bring it back or you can keep it there until it falls off your finger. That's what we're going to be learning, so let's get into it. So, when you're first learning a finger spin, you need to have a yo-yo that allows it. So what I'm using right now is the ND Ultra by Nate Daly and Yo-Yo Factory. The yo-yo has a little coupling right here, little cup, that you can actually put your finger in and spin it there. And this is a really nice yo-yo because it doesn't have any like major grooves. So the finger spin itself can be pretty simple, but once you can get it into like the middle where you have a divot usually, unless you have a yo-yo made for finger spins, there's usually a divot in the middle of a yo-yo, as you could see in the last little clip thing. And that doesn't really help you with finger spins. I don't really know why it's there, maybe just for weight and balance, but in my opinion, it's quite pointless. So you're just gonna like get it into your finger, and what I usually like to do is throw it a little bit vertical, but not too much, just so it can spin around the edge. As you can see, it is really straight, so it just like kind of sits there and spins like weirdly around my finger. And that eventually kills the yo-yo. But if you can get it kind of like slanted, like that, it just hovers around until it hits that midpoint of the spin and then starts dying. The finger spin itself is pretty simple, but then the bind is really painful. I don't like learning the bind, it's harder to learn, but it's really important. So what you're going to do, instead of throwing a normal UFO like that, you're going to throw it kind of like a frisbee or a reverse frisbee like that. And that just makes it so the bind is easier. So you're going to throw that so the spin of the yo-yo is different. And then what you're going to do from there, so we're pretending it's on my finger, and what we're going to basically do is you're going to grab and pinch the string and whip it around so it's kind of on my thumb right here. So then eventually it doesn't like get caught around my finger and basically crack my finger. It's really painful actually. It gets like caught around there and it goes crack, and there's your finger. So you go here, get it around your thumb, and once it's around your thumb, you're basically just going to put it around the bearing this way. You're going to wrap it and pull. And that will basically kind of like start the yo-yo. You grab and pull, and then there you go. That's the bind that way. And for the kind of whip one, you're going to hold it, and you're just going to try and aim the slack to go around the bearing of the yo-yo. Like that. That one takes a little bit longer to learn, but it is a lot more satisfying and cool when you can do it in front of the crowd. Now, for the tornado part of the bind. You're gonna get it, and what I usually like to do is I usually do the beginner bind. You're gonna just bind it and then move your hand upwards. So that's basically just gonna do like a vertical sidewinder, or a horizontal sidewinder. Finger spin around and move your hand up, and that will make the string go all tangled. I also like do the tornado bind, bounce it off my knee, and then catch it. That's my personal favorite thing to do with finger spins. But this is just the basic introduction to finger spins. Thank you all for watching the video. And if you have any tricks that you'd like me to teach, leave them in the comment section, because I will definitely look into them, and hopefully I'll know them, but if I don't, I'll try my best to learn them.